Ungqongqoshe uMthethwa uthi labo ababengamalunga amadala ebhodi benza okuphambene nemigomo yokusebenza kwabo.
They violated the National Arts Council Act. They violated their own meeting in their own council meeting where they resolved that there would remain an oversight structure.
Uthi ke kumele ibuye yonke imali ye-National Arts Council.
If there are funds which were given to people inappropriately, those funds must be recouped.
Ungqongqoshe uMthethwa uthi laba bazotholakala ukuthi bahlomele ngokungemthetho kule mali bazoyikhotha imbenge yomile.
Anybody, any entity of our department, that they must know that people are going to be held accountable and will leave no stone unturned in ensuring that perpetrators are brought to book.
Isazi sezomthetho esebenzisana nomnyango wezamaciko kulolu daba uAdvocate Makhosini Nkosi uthi bakhona bangase bavulelwe amacala futhi bagcine beboshwa.
Should we, as we go forward, discover that there was fraud that was perpetrated, we will not hesitate to involve the police, and we will keep on updating and informing the media as the minister has indicated.
Amaciko athi ke ajabule ngoba sekukhona okwenziwayo ngale mali okwakumele ize kuona.
Singajabula kakhulu mangenzeka kanjalo ngoba kuke kushiwe kanjalo kuthiwa khona okuzotholakala but kugcine kungatholakalanga. But ke siyathemba ukuthi njengoba ekhulumile manje ngampela kukhona okuzotholakala. Singajabula nathi amsho wonke amaciko ngakujabulela lokho.
We have been told ukuthi ama perpetrators will be dealt with. So i-industry yethu ishawe kakhulu amagigi nje income ukuthi sihole nje imali nje, everything was at a standstill. So ngiyajabula kakhulu that as abazali bethu arts and culture have come together to say ukuthi yazini they are going to assist.
Kulamalungu ebhodi le-NAC asolekayo ekunyamaleleni kwalezi gidi zamarandi amathathu kuwona asashiya kanti amabili asekhona emsebenzini. Ungqongqoshe uMthethwa uthe lawo asekhona asevela abhalelwe izincwadi ukuze abeke olwawo uhlangothi. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.